been open since 1973. I'm third generation here. I've been doing this for almost 20 years now.
My role here is pretty much to do everything. Bathrooms and machine blocks. But no, I'm the owner of Engine Rebuilders, and my son Andrew is here with me.
My name is Andrew Frontzak. I'm from Engine Rebuilders and Supply in Stone Park, Illinois. We're a full-service machine shop. We specialize in classic car and muscle car restorations. We also do machine work to diesel, industrial, and marine engines. Being third generation here, I've obviously been around a machine shop my whole life. So naturally growing up, that's what I wanted to do, was build engines. I started here when I was about 18 years old, working for my father Andy, and kind of took off from there. We got into this starting as a parts store, repair shop, and machine shop. We're now just into machine work. We've been focusing on our engines and machine work for a long time now. Some of the ones that do stand out to me are the Buicks, Chevys, Oldsmobiles that get to go through the Muscle Car Nationals that have scored very well. We work on everything here from engines from the 30s to new engines. It's a lot of fun seeing these cars get finished and making our customers' dreams come true.
Here's our Rottler VR7 valve grinder. We've had this for close to 10 years now. Then you come on back here, we've got our Rottler boring machine.
When I started building engines, there weren't a lot of demands as far as different types of ring material, different types of cylinder head gaskets, different surface finishes. We started out with Rottler machines way back in 1984, where we got our boring machine. We now have upgraded to our S86A and our H85AX Hone.
Now with our Hone especially, we don't have to have somebody standing there watching it all day while it's honing blocks. We can set it in a machine and just walk away.
Our Rottler Hone helps us make the most power possible. You know, we have street cars that do well over 1,000 horsepower. Some of the cool engines that we've done recently are 555 cubic inch big block, where we're adding some nitrous to it. We're gonna have some fun at the track. Really, with these new machines, you can't beat it. It's a must nowadays. Being able to set our amount that we're going to take out, use our different stones, and really measure everything with our profilometer and know that we can repeat it over and over again if needed.
We've got customers that come in, want to take 20, 30 thousandths off of a block or a head, and we can just set the machine to take it and walk away.
I honestly don't see how they could get much better, but every day they're evolving. They really make things for guys with small shops like us much better.
I take pride in every job we do. Everything that goes out the door has our name on it. So, you know, that's why we have such a good reputation, because of the work that we put out.